Hey guys, I'm back here with another vlog. In this video I'm going to install a Whitestone dome glass, tempered glass on my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So this is a package they sent me, and this cost about $89 in here in Australia. So this is the ultraviolet light with the cable. So before you start installing the tempered glass, you have to select a place with less dust, and the surface should be horizontal, and it should be a level surface. So let's open the package, and I also kept my power bank here too, because I can easily connect the light with the power bank. So inside the package you will get the alcohol swab, I think. Yeah, there are two trays. And we have the alcohol wipes and the cleaning cloth. Actually we have several cleaning cloths, and two absorption pads, and dust removing sticker, and another alcohol wipe, and the pin that we used at the end of the process. And we have two adhesive tubes, and position bridge. This is the position bridge, and top tray and the bottom tray obviously, and some guides. And we also have additional adhesive tapes on the sides for the sides of the phone. We have obviously the tempered glass. So this is all the things that comes with the box. Okay, here I have my phone, and let's start the installation process. So first you have to put the additional those tapes around your phone, and covering the bottom speaker grill, charging port, and the buttons on the sides, and the speakers on the top. Everything should be covered with those black tapes. Always clean the surface and make sure there were no dust on the surface. You can also watch the video the Whitestone dome company put on the YouTube for before installation to better understanding. Also make sure you remove all the pre-installed films before installation. Okay, then apply if there are any sweat from your hands on the phone. By sticking those tapes, you can make sure the glue or the adhesive did not go into your phone through these outer ports and the buttons. Yeah, it's all done now. So first there's some I remove the installation film on my phone. It was installed by Samsung when they send me the phone. So first I will wipe it with the alcohol wipes. Guys, sorry for the camera angle, and I use my phone to record this video, so the camera angle little bit, I don't think it's a perfect one. So after you wipe the phone with the alcohol wipes, then use a clean cloth to wipe it down and place it on the bottom tray. Yeah, that's it. And again, give it a good wipe with a clean cloth. Make sure there are no dust. Okay, that one is for the speakers on the bottom. That's speaker masking film. Yeah, that's it, and give it again a good wipe with the clean cloth. Okay, then place the top tray. This is the first time I'm doing this, so it will take some time for me. It took some time for me because this is a trickier process than the normal tempered glass installation. I think this is the best one for if you have ultrasonic fingerprint on your phone, underneath the display of your phone. So I think this is the best tempered glass you can ever find for such phones. So then you have to install the absorption pads on the both sides of the trays like this. Then place the position bridge. Before that, I think you can use the dust removing sticker and make sure that there are no dust on the surface. You can either turn off your phone or keep it on. I didn't turn my phone off, so make sure there are no dust. Yeah. Okay, that's a mistake I did. So don't always grip your dust removing sticker very well. Okay, then place the position bridge on the top tray. Then unscrew one of the adhesive tube. There are two caps, top cap at the top cap and the bottom cap. Those are colored. Yeah, place it on the middle of the position bridge as you see in the video. Make sure you don't open the bottom cap because adhesive will come down if you open that. Then slowly loose the bottom cap. Then the adhesive will come down, and make sure that all the adhesive inside the tube comes down like this. After it's done, you can remove the bridge and the adhesive tube. Always remember that the bottom cap releases the adhesive inside the tube. And this whole process took me about 36 minutes. I actually fast forward this video before I doing the voiceover. So after that you can get your tempered glass and remove the one side. It says to remove it. After removing the protective film from the back side of the tempered glass, place the glass in the bottom of the top tray and make sure the glass sits on the top of the removable black tab. So you have to insert the black tab on the one side. It will show, yeah, like that. Yeah, that's the black tab. Then you have to make sure there's a slot separately for that black tab. Actually it's usually it's a pin, I think. Then place the push I think the leveler, and you can gently remove the black pin. Then you will see the adhesive goes throughout the foam like this. Yeah, don't remove the top. I think it's a leveler. Make sure before you release in the pin, you take the adhesives to the middle circle in this horizontal level. Yeah, give it some time. It will evenly distribute throughout the screen. After that, get ready your ultraviolet light. Use the UV light included in this package and cure your device for 15 seconds, each on bottom half and the top half of the screen. Before that, remove the horizontal level we use to position the alcohol adhesive drop. Yeah, then you can use the ultraviolet light and cure for about 15 seconds on both top and bottom. Then you can remove the top tray and wipe up any extra liquid adhesive or residue away from the edges of the phone, and you can use the alcohol wipes to do that. Then after you finish the curing with ultraviolet light, you can remove the device from the both trays, from the bottom tray. So after the primary curing process, you can remove the speaker masking film and the absorption pads. When cleaning the device, clean in one direction from top to bottom or bottom to top, as if was sweeping. If you wipe the gap between the glass and the device with too much force, this may cause lifting or the adhesive being pulled out. So remember that. So I'm removing my top tray now. Yeah, do another curing session for both top and bottom now. So after removing the phone from the bottom tray and clean it out, you can use the UV light for the secondary curing process for 60 seconds for top part and the 60 seconds for the bottom part. Repeat this and cure for 1 more minute on both of the top and bottom. So the total curing time for the top, it will be about 135 seconds, and the bottom also it will be about 135 seconds. Yeah guys, that will be it, and this is the way we can install the Whitestone dome glass for your device. And I have to say, this is one of the expensive tempered glasses in the market right now, but as I said earlier, for a device with ultrasonic recognition fingerprint sensor, so I think this is the best way to make that function properly. So now I'm curing for the second time for 1 minute each, both top and bottom. So guys, this is how it looks. So enjoy the rest of the video. So, and also don't forget to subscribe. So keep subscribing, keep commenting, and keep liking the videos. Sorry for the blur. And yeah, after you install the tempered glass, make sure to put your fingerprint like this, and I normally install about 2 to 3 fingers, and make sure you remove the old fingerprint before the installation. Yeah, I add my fingerprint, so this is the second one. So guys, and see you soon with another video. Peace. Yeah, everything is working fine, I think. Yeah, see you soon.